your girl is low-key really grunty. Because I'm not the girl, sure. She's very grunty right now, and she is having a hard time.
It be like that sometimes.
But she's definitely not PMSing. So yeah, guys, she can't wait to show you guys more of what she has on my face. My face is just so close to this video. She can't wait to show you guys what she's getting up to today, and we're finally here and we're safe and sound. So yeah, I catch you guys on the flip side. Always on your phone.
Sorry, I'm trying to book my next trip, okay?
So guys, we literally just passed Nyani, like the famous don't trust this girl, she will let you down. Like she just let Nyani pass without us having a starstruck moment. I don't know if she's gonna include her handle in this video because she's spicy, she won't. So we're finally here.
Time to eat. I'm hungry.
Guys, we're passing like stylish people in the store.
They're fighting.
I feel basic. Yes.
Gin to gin.
Like gin to gin, like with the G-I-N. So we'll catch you guys, or she will catch you. Guys, she is doing zero vlogging, guys, but this is really about her. So we'll catch you guys on the flip side.
Hi guys. When you're feeling down, you have to actually go out of your way and like get in your car and go to Joburg and come to my favorite place. So thanks for coming with me, Kodie. Salmon poke bowl, and what is your meal called?
SUV, like it's a plata, sushi plata.
Amazing. Always helps.
This is like the professional side.
We're in H&M. We're gonna go to Mango, try some Zara. Now, catch our Uber and find our way home to go get pretty and ready for the night. Road to Healing 22. Okay, so can I see what you got at the store? They've got these pop-ups in Santon. It's CBD gummies. I will not go any further. Do the right thing. I will give you feedback. Come through. Feel good series. Johannesburg, we are ready to feel good.
go home. Feel good series, you are always worth it.
Six and a half hours later.